life is good. Always remember to press record, right?
Yes. Hi everybody, I'm Greg from Two Old Guys with Crossbows,
Hi, I'm Jason from Two Old Guys with Crossbows.
and today's video is going to be about prepping up the bear site and the deer site. One thing we found this year is that our deer season opens 2 weeks early. We just found out the other day, so it really put a fire under our tails to get moving because we haven't really done anything with it. So
Yes, that did. Yeah. And I went on to iHunter and found out the season was up 2 weeks. I phoned Greg right away and said, well, I guess I better come up there for a few days and we better get this going.
yeah, well, what it's done is it's extended the archery season here for 2 weeks.
Yep.
Before Whitetail opened on September 15th and went through till, is it October 31st?
Yeah, till October 31st.
October 31st, and then it closed and rifle opened up about mid-November, I think.
Yeah.
Till this, it's a very short season for the rifle, but now they've moved it to September 1st, which coincides now with the mule deer hunt, archery mule deer over the counter. Mule deer, otherwise we have to, if we want to rifle hunt mule deer, you have to go into the draw. Whitetail, you don't have to go into the draw for Saskatchewan residents.
Yes.
We are in Saskatchewan.
And we don't for archery mule deer either. But that's the question. Are we going to solve the mule deer riddle this year?
I hope so.
I hope so too. But that's, this is year 3 for mule deer, and we haven't solved that riddle yet.
Well, and it wasn't so much solving the riddle. Like, I had a good chance of taking that one mule deer buck. But the thing is, I didn't take my bow. I was still out spotting, and I was waiting for Jason to come up. And sure enough, he stands up out of the grain field, like 30 yards from me. And if I would have had my bow with me, I could have easily took him. But of course, then we go back the next day when we're ready to set up and hunt, and they're out there harvesting the fields.
So everything moved.
Yeah, and things moved, and the deer behaviors all moved along with the harvest.
Yeah.
And this year it's a very early harvest. We've had a really bad drought in Western Canada, in Saskatchewan especially. I think we went, I forget how many days it was without rain at all, like over 2 months, or 8 weeks.
Yeah, they're saying it's the worst drought in Saskatchewan history since the 30s. So.
Yeah, and it is a cycle that happens about every 10 years, we find.
Yeah.
Here we get a really hot summer, very little rain, but this was a really, really bad one. But now it's almost like fall out there, and it's only mid-August.
Yeah. Yeah, we might be hunting in our snowsuits again in September.
Yeah, come September 1st, there might be snow on the ground. You never know.
You never know.
In Saskatchewan, you just never know.
No, you never know in this country. So we spent the last couple of days getting things organized and reviewing the camera chips and that. We have the 2 bear sites and a whitetail site, and we found that all through the summer, even though we quit baiting on the 17th or 19th of June.
No, it was a little later than that. I think it was near the end of the season, around 21st, we finally shut it down. We missed the last week, which was
Yes.
still the 29th.
Yeah.
And but yeah, we stopped baiting, and the bears are still coming. They keep checking. We've got deer coming in, nibbling at the corn and stuff that's left. So we've actually got deer there too. We've had muleys in there. So hopefully, yeah, with the way things are going this year, we will get a muley. We've got 2 bear tags to fill this fall yet. One for Jason and one for myself. And of course, we have whitetail tags, 1 each,
Yep.
and 1 muley tag each. And we're hoping to fill all those tags, but we'll see how it goes.
Yep.
And we'll let you know. But that's what today's video is going to be about, just us out prepping the sites, getting things ready, getting the cameras ready and all that, and we'll show you.
We're talking the trail cameras here, not our filming cameras.
No, we're just making sure the trail cameras, the batteries are good.
Yeah.
Got fresh chips in them and everything. We've put fresh bait out, and we have, what is it? What day? What's the date today?
Today's the 18th.
18th. So we're 12 days away from opening day
Yep.
for the whitetail and the muley. And Jason is coming back up at the end of the month on the 30th.
No, 30th. I'll be here on the
Or the
30th.
29th, whatever.
Yeah.
And then we'll be ready to go opening morning.
Yep.
So stay with us. Don't forget to
Well, I
like,
give-
share, and subscribe.
Well, that does give us a couple of days to scout things out too. So.
Yeah, yeah. Like we did scout that corner where that muley was
Yeah.
last year, but we didn't see anything. I got a little bit of video of some muleys we did find,
Yeah.
and I'll post that at the end of the video too. So
Anyway.
you can see what we seen out there while we were moving around.
But yes, please like, share, and subscribe, and follow us, because this should be a very exciting hunting season.
Yes, we've already got 2 spring bear this year. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed already, please do that. We love your support. We love all you guys.
Yeah.
And we wish you a very successful hunting season this year too.
Thanks a lot.
Well,
So what are we doing?
I guess we're here to prepare the bear site, or the deer site.
Uh-huh.
We haven't been in here much this year, and I'm just gonna go and change batteries in the game cameras and pull the chips out, and we're gonna set out some bait, and we're gonna weed whack a whole lot of this stuff. Because right over there is where we want to hunt the deer. Right over there is where we want to hunt the deer. And this is our spot.
Yeah. So we have the shooting lanes, or shooting lane cut. Our cameras are there. And over here, the world's biggest wasp nest. Actually, it's just very big. And luckily that was not in our blind.